reacting to this mukbang?
Let's eat my pregnancy cravings. We got frosting and a little butter.
What the heck? Is she trying to kill her baby? And who actually craves this?
Gender reveal. Little sugar to celebrate. Why is it melting?
Is she okay? Because I think she's asking for a heart attack.
I'm too European for this. First bite takes you to heaven. Tastes like America. For your mental health, this isn't ice cream.
According to my calculations, this is gonna kill you and your baby if you don't stop eating this right now.
The baby said more frosting. This can't be healthy.
Yeah, you're right about that. Not being healthy.
We also got these butter balls, like little nuggets of cholesterol. The baby loves balls.
The baby is screaming for help in there.
The baby wants some steak instead. But mommy's on a budget.
So instead of steak, you have this monstrosity.
The baby's getting skincare. Why is it soft?
And it ends here with her saying her baby is getting skincare.